Hi, I'm Jo and I am the Knitting Bird. I thought I'd come on here today just to show you some other things that I've been knitting other than the Jana Ganzi. So I was gifted for Christmas the sock project book from Summer Lee. I was gifted some lovely boots for Christmas and I wanted some thick socks to go with them. So here are some 2x2 rib socks. Really squishy and soft. It's made out of Drops Fiesta. Just have a look if I can find. It's probably the wrong way around. Really nice yarn. It took a whole 50-gram ball. They knit up so quickly and they are so comfy. Love knitting socks. I've knitted socks for my son, father-in-law, my mum, myself. And they're just little projects I can knit while I'm in the car, so I love that. The other thing I'm knitting on is baby cardigan for a friend of mine who's having a little baby, and this is a King Cole double knit pattern. And it's got, I don't know if you can see that, but it's got like a little pattern, lacy pattern at the bottom. I'm doing like 0 to 3 months because the baby's tiny. I'm not sure what the yarn is because I've had it in stash for a while. And it's a lovely pink and white. And it's like an 8-row repeat. So I've done the 2 8 rows, and now I just do stockinette stitch until it reaches, the whole thing reaches 5.5 inches. It's done, the front and the backs are all done together, so it will look a bit like that. And then a button band. You pick up for the button band on either side, so you can make it as a boy or a girl. Just change over the buttonholes for whichever size it is for. So enjoying that, something different, bit chunkier than the Jana Ganzi, which takes time and concentration, but I do love knitting on a Jana Ganzi, which you would have seen in the couple of other videos that I've posted. I got into knitting in lockdown. I've always come from a crafty background. When I was younger, I did cross stitch and tapestry and jigsaw puzzles and that sort of thing. But my mum never taught me to learn to knit. So in lockdown, she taught me to knit and purl. And then it went on from there. I knitted scarves and hats and premature baby items, and learnt how to read patterns and that sort of thing. And then I found that you could knit things in the round and you didn't have to seam them up, which is absolutely lovely. I hate seaming garments up. I can do it, but it just takes a lot of time. So yeah, that's a bit about me. I have and I just love knitting. I love anything yarn related. I knit every day if I can. And I love just knitting different things and learning different things within knitting. And I love gifting knits because people, especially when people appreciate it, how long and hard work it is to go through and knit things. So that's a little bit about me. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.